Hey dear, welcome to you in this lesson. And in the previous lesson we have done so far, we have added about me section, and now I am going to add courses section. So going to follow my two reference website. Here is a sample and here another sample. We can add anyone from here. Okay, before add courses or add courses section, we have to first add our courses in our website. So I'm going to my dashboard, and here I'm going to the courses section. We can see that there is no courses right now, no courses found. So I'm going to add my first courses here. So click on the add new course. Now I'm going to my website e-commerce thesis, where I have already uploaded an course. So search e-commerce thesis. You can also search Google e-commerce thesis, then you will get my website. This is my website. Now going to click on the title of this website and search the course. Here is the course that I'm going to add on my website right now. So first, the course name: Advanced Shopify course for building a professional store and customize as need. Copy this title. Now going to add description. Okay, we have added the course description. Now I'm going to add course highlight. So you can see there is the course highlight. Copy and add this course highlight right here. Looks good. Okay, then we have to add course category. So course category is Shopify. Just add Shopify, or we have to add new category. So I just add Shopify, add new category. Okay, so now we can add or select category from here. So my course category name is Shopify. Then add featured image, select. Okay, we have added our course title, description, course highlight. Now going to click on the next button, and we have to add section. So add a new section, overview. Click on the add, and we have to add new content for this overview. So just add a new lesson name, intro, and you can add some demo content added. We can add featured image here, and we can also add our video. So just click on the add new section, because I'm not going to add everything right now because this is a tutorials or lesson, so we have to skip some easy things from here. Now going to click on the publish course updated, and then going to click on the settings. From the settings we can change the author name or profile, difficulty for beginner, course duration. We can change the course duration for 5 hours, and maximum student, no limit, display always visible. Now going to click on the pricing, make this paid price, just keep it $90, $19. Then click on the update. Okay, we have added our course. Now if we go to the course section, we can see that we have added an course, but to make our section we have to add multiple course here, because with one course you cannot make the layout more professional or design. And if we check the reference website, you can see that there are multiple courses here also there. So I'm going to skip this section to add other courses. So we have added total 4 courses here, and now I'm going to add the courses on the home page. So open my home page to visit, click on the edit with Elementor, and going to bottom, add a new section, select structure. First we want to add a title here, like complete courses or something like best seller courses. So we just add this title. and we can directly duplicate this one and add here. Remove this text, change the text here, make text align center, and we can add a little bit different type of typography. For example, text transform uppercase and just keep it popular courses. Okay, we have added. Now we have to add the courses. So there is no option to add Masterio directly from the Elementor. So now I'm going to add shortcode, drag and drop shortcode, and copy this shortcode from here, and category names premium, as I have added a category for all the premium course name premium, and we can see our courses right now here. Looks good. We can change the column, so I'm going to change the column from 3 to 4. Looks here, looks good. And in the next time I will customize this plugin. I'm just going to show you how we can do this. For better design, we can make the column from 4 to 2. Looks good, but the image show very blurry, so I think 3 is perfect. And just remove one course from here. We can remove YouTube from here, and from this 4 premium course I'm going to make one course free, so that we cannot see this course in the premium course. So just going to edit this one, YouTube settings, pricing, free, update. Okay, now I'm going to update the home page or refresh. Wow, it looks very good, looks good. And we hope this will. Okay, we have to do another things from here. We have to remove the premium categories, then click on the update. Now refresh, and this time it's look very good and professional. Okay, we have done so far.